Meanwhile, there is progress to report tonight on the coronavirus testing front with the opening of New York's first drive-through testing site and approval for the state to start processing samples at many additional laboratories. CBS 2's Tony Aiello is live in New Rochelle with more on this story. Tony, good evening.
DeMarco, this is Glen Island Park, 105 acres directly on the Long Island Sound. And on this beautiful Friday afternoon, instead of bike riders and joggers, it is teeming with National Guard and healthcare workers. And it will be from 8A to 8P for the foreseeable future. It is New York's first COVID-19 drive-through testing site.
A thumbs up from a heavily suited healthcare worker as the first drive-through COVID-19 testing site opens on the East Coast. One of the first to be swabbed, the husband of Annabelle Morales.
My husband's not feeling well. He's got throat symptoms. He's, achy and tired, and he works in the city. He's been commuting to the city. He works for a Japanese bank.
The National Guard is here to assist, and on the off chance there are problems, enforce the rules. People without pre-clearance will be turned away.
You can't just come. You have to call first, make an appointment, and then come. Each car is here for about 15 minutes. The phone number is 888-364-3065. We are prioritizing people in New Rochelle first because, again, that's where we want to reduce that density and reduce those cases.
There are 6 drive-through lanes, and the governor says right now they can handle about 200 vehicles a day.
This handout video from a drive-through site in Washington state shows the process. Swabs will be boxed up and shipped to labs. Results back in about 24 hours. The Trump administration is allowing New York to certify additional labs on its own, which means testing capacity will skyrocket in just a few days.
We will ramp from 5,000 to 10,000 at a minimum, if not higher, as the need is required.
With a significant cluster of confirmed COVID-19 cases in New Rochelle, people with no symptoms will want to be tested. Experts say that would waste limited resources. If you have the virus, but the so-called viral load is not making you sick yet, you're likely to test negative anyway.
People will eventually may want to get tested to feel comfortable. We're not even close to that right now. The demand and the CDC recommendations are currently that people with significant symptoms get tested.
The situation is testing the resolve of New Rochelle residents who appreciate the free food that's helping needy families at a trying time, but also trying their patience and civic pride.
New Rochelle's a great place to live.
This woman had a court date canceled when the judge learned she was from New Rochelle.
Like I said, hopefully it dies down and we get back to normal, because it's really embarrassing that this is happening to us.
Back at the entrance to the testing site, it has been orderly but not without some tension. Around 4:15, a woman drove up. She did not have the required appointment. She started cursing at the state police and the county police who are here. Eventually, she calmed down. She pulled off to the side of the road. The state police and the county police stayed very calm and professional. Just a few minutes ago, that woman finally turned around and drove away. Live in New Rochelle, New York, Tony Aiello, CBS 2 News.
Tensions are high all over the place. Tony, thank you.